In a bustling city, amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, a young woman named Maya hurriedly made her way to work. Lost in thought, she reached into her bag to grab her office keys, only to find them missing. Panic washed over her as she realized she must have dropped them somewhere along the way. Frantically retracing her steps, Maya searched high and low, but the keys were nowhere to be found. Feeling defeated, she slumped onto a nearby bench, wondering how she would explain this mishap to her boss. Just then, an elderly man approached her, holding out a set of keys.
Are these what you're looking for, dear?
He asked with a warm smile. Relief flooded Maya as she realized the man had found her keys and tracked her down to return them. Gratefully accepting the keys, Maya thanked the man profusely, amazed by his kindness. As Maya continued on her way, she couldn't help but reflect on the stranger's selfless act. His small gesture of kindness had turned her day around, reminding her of the power of compassion in a busy world. From that day on, Maya made a conscious effort to pay it forward, always keeping an eye out for opportunities to help others in need. And in doing so, she discovered that even the smallest acts of kindness could create ripples of positivity that touched the lives of many.